Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix slow motion issue with the game on a Windows computer. Now the first step is to run the game on dedicated graphic card. Now for this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box and then click on graphics settings and then click on browse over here and then go to the game installation folder. So if the game is installed in C drive, open C drive, program files x86. Now open the Steam folder. Now open the Steam apps folder. Now open the common folder, open the game folder, select the game exe file. Now click on add. Once the game is added over here, click on options, select high performance. Now click on save. Now you can launch the game and then check. Now if desktop users, make sure that your HDMI or display cable is connected to the dedicated graphic card, not the motherboard slot, because the motherboard slot has a inbuilt graphic card, maybe Intel. So make sure that you're connecting your display cable to the dedicated graphic card like AMD or NVIDIA graphic card slot and then check. Next step is to change the refresh rate to 60 Hz in video settings, or you can change it as per your monitor refresh rate. So whatever is your monitor refresh rate, you can change to that, or you can set it to 60 and then checks. Now for this, you can go to File Explorer and then go to this PC, open C drive. Now open users folder. Now open your username folder. Make sure that you open your username and then open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data on the top, click on view, select show and then put a check on hidden items, then open app data folder. Now open the local folder and then open 2K sports folder. Now open NBA 2K25 folder and over here you will see video settings. Make a right click on video settings, open with and then open with notepad. Now over here you can see the refresh rate. In my case it is already set to 60, so you can just type in 60. If your monitor refresh rate is 144, you can set it to 144. In my case it's 60, so I will type in 60. Now click on file and then click on save. Now once you save it, close it, make a right click on video settings and then go to properties and put a check on the box which says read only and then hit apply, click on OK. Now if you want to make changes in video settings again, in that case you have to uncheck this box and then hit apply, click on OK, and then you can make changes. So after you make changes, put a check on read only and then hit apply, click on OK. Now you can launch the game and then check. Now the next step is to it's switch to full screen mode and try native resolution. So launch the game first. So once you launch the game, now you can go to features and then go to video settings. Now over here, if window mode is set to like window mode, in that case you can select full screen window and then go to Windows settings and then check your resolution. So go to system and then go to display. Now over here, whatever resolution you are selecting over here, select the same resolution in the game. So in my case it's 1920 into 1080p, so I will select the same resolution in display resolution. So in my case it's 1920 into 1080p, so I will select this one. So select the same resolution which you are selecting in Windows and then check the performance. Now the next step is to turn on the VSync and then check. If turning on the VSync does not work, you can turn off the VSync and then check. Lower down display resolution, lower down video settings and switch to window mode and then check. So launch the game. Now go to features once again and then go to video settings. Now if over here, scroll down, if vertical sync is off over here, so in that case you can turn it on. So turn on the VSync and then check. If that does not work, you can even try to turn off the VSync and then check. So I will first of all turn it on. Now check the performance. If that does not work, turn off the VSync and then check. Do the same thing with dynamic vertical sync with VSync on. When the VSync is on, you can try dynamic vertical sync on and off and then check. Now also you can go to display resolution. Now if this is set to 4K, you can try 1920 into 1080p. You can even lower down more and then go to window mode. Now if full screen window mode is not working, in that case you can select window mode and then lower down graphics settings. So scroll down. Now here SDR, if the SDR is on, you can turn it off. Turn off ray tracing and overall quality. Now if this is set to like ultra, in that case you can set it to high. So you can set it to high, or you can even go for medium. So I will set it to medium in my case. And then you can apply the changes and then check the performance. Now the next step is to press Alt plus Enter on the keyboard. So when you launch the game, once the game is launched, so click on play. Once the game is launched, you can hit Alt plus Enter on the keyboard and then check. You can even spam Alt plus Enter and then check. Next step is to try native resolution, which we have already done. So you can skip this. Now change Windows display refresh rate to 60 or as per your monitor refresh rate. Now for this you can go to Windows settings and then go to system, go to display. Now go to advanced display over here and then you can set it to 60 Hertz and then check. If that does not work, you can put the the value back. So try 60 Hertz and then check. If that does not work, the next step is to perform a clean installation of your graphics card driver. So if you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I'm showing for NVIDIA. So go to NVIDIA website. Now on this website, make sure that you select your series, select your graphic card over here. Now once you select your graphic card over here, make sure that you select the right operating system and then click on find. Now once you click on find, you will see this page. The latest driver will be on top. So right now it's 560.94. Now click on view over here and then click on download. And once the download is complete, you can run the exe file. Once you run the exe file, you will see the screen. Click on agree and continue and then select custom option over here. Now select next and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. Make sure that you put a check on perform a clean installation and then click on next. And once the installation is complete, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can launch the game and then check. Now the next step is to update Windows to the latest version. This is important. So open Windows settings, go to Windows update or update in security and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can launch the game and then check. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.